Welcome back. It's now time for your lunchtime sports. CEO of the PFJL, Owen Hill, says that his team was given assurances that the marks on the National Stadium field would have been removed before the JPL final on Sunday. Marks could be seen inside both penalty boxes during the nation's Top Flight League's final day on Sunday after a corporate entity reportedly used the facility for an event the day before. But Hill says he wasn't expecting what he saw.
We were assured again by IPL, our partners in this case, that it would have been removed, and we understood that to mean it would have been clean enough. When we saw what we saw on the day of the event, again, some amount of this, a heavy amount of disapproval, I would say, and I'm not trying to dance around the realities. However, we needed to play the game because everything was in place to ensure that the game was played. So not that we're happy, and we would have voiced our opinion.
Speaking on Hits 92 FM's Sports Grill on Monday, Hill said there will be a meeting with stakeholders to see what can be done to prevent a recurrence.
A stakeholder engagement post-discussion we'll have, and, what kind of remedies that we can put in place for, events like that going forward. We hope to have those conversations. But it was communicated, and, as it is now, all the parties who are involved were advised that there are some next steps to follow.
Some track and field news now. Reigning Commonwealth Games sprint hurdles champion Rashid Broadbell has been confirmed for the Racers Grand Prix on June 1 at the National Stadium. Broadbell of the Elite Performance Track Club will be making his season debut at the meet. The national champion joins an already strong field in the 110-meter hurdles, including defending Olympic champion and compatriot Hansa Parchment, Americans Trey Cunningham, Freddie Cretin, Robert Dunning and Michael Dixon. The field is completed by fellow Jamaicans Damian Thomas, Orlando Bennett and Tyler Mason. Now, the West Indies held their first training session at Sabina Park this morning as they began preparation for the three-match T20 series against South Africa. Jamaica's Brandon King is deputising as leader in place of Rovman Powell, who has Indian Premier League commitments with the Rajasthan Royals. Fabian Allen is the other Jamaican in the squad that sees speedster Shamar Joseph in line to make his T20 debut against the Proteas. King says the regional team is ready to showcase their brand of cricket ahead of the World Cup, which bowls off on June 1. And, well, that is Stumps, and that is it for your lunchtime sports. And I am Jermaine Brown.
Thank you, Jermaine. And I'm Karian Simpson. Join us at 7 for primetime news. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.